So the switch is there. There's one cable. The switch has two cables. So there's one cable that you're going to put on the starter, in the starter solenoid, and then one cable you need to bring it to the ignition, or you can find any point on the car that only goes live when you put the key on. So that's why you put the other cable. It has to be a positive line that only goes on when you put the key on. So I found my line being this one on the ignition switch. So that's the one I'm going to use. The moment I put that one and connect my cable here, the car starts when I put on. But if it's on off, it won't start. No matter how much I press this key, it won't even crank. So that's it. So let me just demonstrate. I'm holding the cable there on the positive. I try to push the switch. Nothing happens. So when I put this on, dashboard goes on, and I press that button, the car starts. Simple.